When you get your SD memory card corrupted, damaged, and you see this message, don't rush to reformat it, not to lose any data. Go to the storage first and try mounting your SD card. Sometimes it helps. If nothing happens when you click Mount SD card, then turn off your device, remove the SD card, insert it into the card reader of your laptop or your computer. Win+R to open Run dialog. Type chkdsk and the name of the disk of your SD card. It starts checking. It's the first step. Then step 2, type chkdsk/f and the name of your disk, the one with the SD card, and it starts fixing the issues. It was the second step. And the third step, chkdsk/f/r and the name of your disk, and it starts removing bad sectors. It starts checking and showing you the percentage of the work done. You will have to wait. Well, with these 3 steps, supposedly you solve the problem. Then you remove correctly the SD card. Remove it from your card reader. Insert it into your device and turn on your device. Supposedly the issue is solved and your card has all the files saved and is readable.